I love this new Chebula Extreme Cream. It feels so good, it smells so good, and my skin has never felt better. It is just amazing. Hi, I'm Hillary, the founder of True Botanicals, and if you know me, you're probably so surprised to hear me say that. I've always advocated for our Pure Radiance oils instead of cream moisturizers because up until now, almost every single cream moisturizer on the market has been heavily formulated with waxes. Waxes should never, ever, ever be in your skincare because they clog pores, they build up on your skin, and they prevent other important nutritive ingredients from absorbing. But today, I'm so excited to announce that we cracked the code. Thanks to an insane amount of diligence and determination, we figured out how to make the most luxurious, hydrating, effective cream moisturizer without any waxes. Our Pure Radiance oils are still essential to every skincare routine, but we wanted to have a fantastic option for people who simply prefer the cream moisturizer format. If that's you, I promise that Chebula Extreme Cream is unlike any other you've tried before. You will be blown away by this revolutionary formula. And if you're a Pure Radiance oil user and occasionally feel like you could use an extra hydrating boost, for example in the cold winter months, this layers beautifully on top of our oils. It was so challenging to formulate a facial cream without waxes, but that challenge pushed us to be more innovative and create an even more effective formula. Chebula Extreme Cream is a moisturizing triple threat featuring the anti-aging superpowers of Chebula and delivering extreme hydrating moisture, extreme antioxidant benefits, and extreme skin barrier optimization. Your skin will quite literally drink up the natural, biocompatible, small molecule ingredients, so no waiting around for it to soak in before applying your makeup. My skin feels so smooth, soft, dewy, and supple after using it.